guys to the lesson number 6. For today's video I will use my personal voice. I hope you will understand well. So let's begin. For today's lesson we will talk about risk management. So why is this important in trading? This is the most important thing in trading, guys. You should always risk 1% of your account, and for riskier trades 0.5%. My minimum risk reward is always 1 to 3, but this is not optimal, guys. You can use whatever risk reward you want, but I will recommend to use it minimum at 1 to 3. Let's take a look of real chart examples. So here we have our first demand zone. So imagine you open a buy position. You target, I don't know, like this, and you lost this trade, right? So let's type -1%. Was this one, okay? So the next demand zone we have will be example this. Sorry, just a second. So you enter here again and you again lose. You again lost 1%. So we lost 2%, guys. So the next demand zones we have, one is there, one is there. So you enter again here. Price push up a little bit and smash your stop loss. Then you enter again here and price reach your next demand zone. Place stop loss just below this and smash your stop loss again. So you lost 4%, guys. 4%. But the next demand zone we have is here. And when you take this trade, when you take this trade, you risk 1% again to gain 12%. You see here, let's go here, 12%. So guys, you lost cents. Win 12%. And the results is 8%. Close to 10%. And 10% is my weekly goal, guys. This is my weekly goals. Take a look at this, guys. So I need to ask you, do you think $10 is small profit? Yeah, I think most of you think $10 is small profit. What about $100? Oh, good profit. It's good. 1,000 profits. Yeah, quite good. But 10,000 profits. This is insane how you did that. But this is the same concept, guys. All of this is the 10%. If you can have $100 account, your 10% will be 10. If you have $1,000 account, your 10% will be 100. If you have $10,000 account, your 10% will be 1,000. If you have $100,000 on your account, your 10% will be 10,000. So this is easy, guys. If you can make weekly $10 on 100 account, you can make this and this and this easily, guys. And the next thing, how you can get these big accounts, I will tell you. So guys, take a look at this. This is FTMO. There are firms who provide you big accounts. Of course, you must pay them to participate. Uh, Depends on how much money you will invest in this. Price depends of your profits. They have 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, and of course, different price. The next one is my forex funds. Quite the same thing. You can choose account type. There are rules. You can go and check it out, read them. My forex funds and FTMAO. They're alleged firms, so you don't worry about that. First, you must trade on demo account to get your real account. So mostly if you lose 12% overall drawdown, you will lose your account. Daily drawdown is 5%. They have similar rules, but you can choose which you want, guys. To get a real account, first you need to trade on demo account. After demo account, you will have phase 1 and phase 2. After you pass all these challenge, then you can get your payout, guys. Payout depends on which account type you want to get. On FTMO, you just go to scaling plan, and then you can see standard aggressive trading objective. And on my forex funds, you have programs, rapid, evaluated, accelerated. I suggest you to choose this. Go and read by yourself, guys, and just suggest you how you can get big equity account and to test yourself. And one more thing, if you don't want to calculate 1% always, you can use this forex calendar market and news application. On this application you have daily news, tomorrow, this week news, and you also can add your account and you can transparent have your trading history. Also, you can see buyers and sellers in the market. You can calculate your risk and gain on this application, so you can easily calculate which lot size you must use to risk 1% of your account. And this is all for this video, guys. Hope you will not skip this trading lesson, because it's really important to use risk management in trading. Without risk management, you can improve your trading account.